Hello, hello, and welcome to another update video about Link. Link has decided to wake up, as I already said, on the weekends. Now the weekends start to get a little bit more interesting. Very quiet in 2023, all the weekends generally across the crypto market, but the last few weeks have started to show that crypto can also move on the weekends. So feels a bit like a few years ago when cryptos were really interesting. So we're getting back that interesting movement, that vibe in the crypto world. And yeah, the weekends, we can start to look forward to the weekends again when we talk about crypto prices, which is pretty good. Link also reacted to our orange support area that we wanted it to react to show another extension in this wave 5 of C3. We're going to talk about that now, which was in line with the script, basically, with the ideal scenario, right? Could have been that this third wave here already finished down there, but another wave was basically missing. So it's sometimes, we're looking for the ideal structure, and Link is showing that ideal structure right now. So we want to talk about that. Link is showing a potential 5-wave move here to the upside that's in the making. We're really only in the third wave. The white wave count is at the moment what we primarily follow. All of that hasn't changed. The idea is that a wave 1 completed. So after Link reacted several times to our long-term support area here, the 11th of June low marked a more substantial low. The idea is that a wave 1 was formed, a wave 2 was formed. This here could be a third wave. The third wave would be an ABC structure, A, B, C. And within the C wave, we have 5 waves. So if I zoom in, then the idea was that we had a 1, a 2, a 3. This was the 4, at least somewhere finished in the orange box, and it seems to have completed there. We only have 3 waves up so far, so I cannot rule out that all of this is part of the wave 4 still, but I would assume we're now in wave 5. And yeah, one more high would have been ideal and was ideal, and it's forming that 5th wave now. Next FIB levels were $12.03, $13.66, and then $15. These are all levels to watch in a third wave. In an ideal world, we would get that deeper wave 4 pullback soon, but it can still extend higher. I mean, I would expect it to go a little higher, especially as we only have 3 waves. And then that larger wave 4 is due at some point, and we will move up the support level accordingly. So support is now at $7.76, even though ideally it's holding $8.50. It doesn't even need to go down that much. It's just support, not a target. Only when we have a clear ABC structure, I can give you a target for wave C of 4. We don't have that at this stage, and I would assume this box is going to move higher together with the price. To be honest, we should add the 23.6 FIB level as well, because that's the level it reacted to in this box, okay? So this is the support between $7.76, $7.76 and $10.46. But again, at the moment, we are rather focused on higher still. And as long as the swing low here, the last swing low is holding, the focus should still be on higher. So at the moment, as you can see here, we can only identify really 3 waves up. So it would be, obviously the move up should be, let me just think myself. It should be a 5-wave move in wave 5. Micro counting doesn't really help much in altcoins, but I can see either 1, 2, so 1, 2 setup down there, or 2. So we should get at least 1 more high, maybe even 2. They can always extend a little bit, but certainly this is only 3 waves up so far. So idea would be to still go a little higher. The relevant levels are marked on the chart, especially here 13.66. I would say target-wise, we want to be watching for $13.66 plus in wave 5. And then the wave 4 should be quite boring, should be quite long, and take a bit of time before we then move higher in wave 5 of 1. That's at least the idealized structure that we're watching for here on the Link chart. Before then, after all 5 waves up are complete, a larger degree wave 2 pullback should follow. This level at $11.80 was respected for over a week. Yeah, the prices respected it. Now broke above it, and that was the key level to watch after the price broke out of the $9.50 price range in which Link, well, was moving for more than a year, right? So that was the next level, and then we have to have a look at all these FIB extensions. But the next key level, I would say, that is really relevant is the $18 level. Might be worth also, just for info, to add some retracement levels to show where else the price could react in addition. And you can see that we've got the next red line, which is a Fibonacci retracement level at $14.53. So that's basically a cluster, a resistance cluster between 1366 and 1495 with a 1453 level, which is the 61.8 retracement level in between. So just highlighting, this could be a range where the price might get rejected to come down in wave 4. We'll see how it reacts. I mean, in the end, these levels are just levels to watch. High probability levels where the price could react and show a reaction. So far, these parameters have definitely been respected. This resistance area for more than a week, and then this support area generated a potential entry point for anybody who used it, even though this was only a smaller degree fourth wave. Yeah, that's my update about Link. I mean, what else can I say? The idea is, and has been now for a few weeks, that we focus on higher prices. That has been the correct decision. The uptrend has materialized further. And as always, you know, this is still very fragile. This can still easily break down. Risk management is important, which is why I always give you the relevant support areas, the boxes that we need to be watching for, because, you know, this uptrend is still very fragile. It's only building. It's based on a diagonal. It's based on an incomplete looking downside structure. And another low is still another low can still happen. So it's not like, okay, we go to the moon from here. We could do, but we still need to be very mindful at this stage about the incomplete and the not really perfect looking structure that we had down here throughout August, September, actually June, July, August. Okay, that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in the membership, every Sunday we do a member live stream. The member live stream takes place today again at 5 p.m. UTC. We're going to take a look at a method to find coins that outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum, potentially also for the next bull run. And also you get access to Discord and Telegram. And as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.